Before I start today's topic, I would like to say that in this tough phase of our life, it is very difficult to stay positive all the time. But still, we have to do so. And along with ourselves, we have to take care of our loved ones too. This is the time when we need each other the most. So be strong, stay safe, and follow some of these things. The first thing in this to-do list is prepare a good timetable. First of all, you should have a good routine for a day. It should not be like why to wake up early, we don't have anywhere to go, no work to do, etc. Take your free time as an advantage. Now is the time that you can make new habits or do those things which you wanted to earlier but were not able to do due to your busy working schedule and other responsibilities. So what you need to have a good timetable, like waking up early. And yes, one thing I want to tell you with my own personal experience is that if you are willing to start something new these days but are not able to do so, do one thing. Wake up early and do that work. Trust me, you will keep craving for that work all the day. Or you can do one more thing. 21 days chart to build a new habit or a routine. Make a chart, draw a table, mark it from 1 to 21. And then all you have to do is to do that work and mark tick under the number every day. But you have to do this with dedication. Try this. It will help for sure, as it works for me too. Second most cherished thing that you can do is reading good books. I know you have had this advice a lot of times earlier, but you know this as well that book is that partner which is available to us at our own wish. So I think there is nothing wrong in getting this helpful advice again and again. You can travel the world by just reading a good book. Someone has rightly said, there is no friend as loyal as a book. So just make yourself a cup of tea, coffee, or anything you like. Grab a good book and start reading it. You can pick any good book according to your interests and likings, as we have a lot of options in books categories available, like books on action and adventure, horror, biographies and autobiographies, science and fictions, literary fiction, historical fiction, fantasy, detective and mystery, comic book or graphic novels, history books and memoir, least but not the last, the ever-in-demand poetry books. Some of the good books I would like to suggest you are Becoming by Michelle Obama, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings by Maya Angelou, A Thousand Splendid Suns by Khaled Hosseini, The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, The Adventure of Sherlock Holmes by Arthur Conan Doyle, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, Rich and Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, and many more. If you have flair for writing, then writing blogs can be the best pastime option for you. Well, don't worry, even if you are not a professional writer, writing is an excellent way to spend some time and enhance your writing skills. And if you are a good one, then you can even sell your articles to publishing house and can earn a good money. ¿Cómo estás? Or ¿Cómo estáis? Well, they both means how are you? Yes. The other thing you can do in your free time is learning new language online. We all have probably heard this tip a lot of times. But just think that being a bilingual or multilingual offers many social and professional benefits. Just imagine if all the French or Spanish movies you will get to enjoy without reading subtitles. If you don't find much fun in reading and writing, then you can go for something more interesting like DIY craft. This is one of the most interesting and productive things to do for those who are interested in art. There are lots of beautiful things you can make with the stuff which you think is useless, like a paper, thread, sticks, buttons, broken glasses, anything which we can't imagine that we can use to decorate our places, and these things are easily available at home too. There are lots of videos on DIY crafts available on the internet. At home you can make cards, key holders, pen stand, wind chimes, pots, bookmarks, and many more. And after that you can also sell your homemade items online too. Isn't it great? So go for it and just be creative. If your taste buds are active than usual, then cooking can be the best bet for you. Yes, kitchen is like a laboratory for our home, where we can do a lot of experiments with food and spices, which can go wrong sometimes, but won't be harmful like the real laboratory experiment. If you have skills of a chef, or you are the one who loves to make everyone happy with tasty food, then you can make your free time very useful by learning recipes of some new dishes or some old traditional dishes that your mother uses to make for you, but you miss when your mother is out of town or somewhere. You can see YouTube cookery channels, or you can also read some cooking books like Cravings, Hungry or More by Chrissy Teigen, The Jemima Code, 2 Centuries of African American Cookbooks by Tony Tipton Martin, Mastering the Art of French Cooking by Julia Child, Louisette Berthold, and Simon Beck, etc. You will get to know about more tips and tricks which can help you in the kitchen. So be a master chef in this free time and win everyone's heart. Because we have heard this a lot of time. The way to the heart goes through the stomach. Next thing which I'm going to tell works as a magic for your soul and body. That is exercise and yoga. You can do whatever you want to, but only if you are physically and mentally fit. I'm quite sure that now everyone knows how important it is to stay fit both physically and mentally. We don't know what's coming on our way and what we have to go through, so always be prepared. Exercise and yoga practice can do much more than lend muscle power and reduce stress. Studies conducted at various institutes indicates that short 20-minute session of yoga or 30 minutes walk can help your brain work better and keep your mind focused. You can do yoga asana like Nukasan, Bhujangasana, Sukhasana, Anulom Vilom, Surya Namaskar, etc. These and many more yoga asanas are available on the internet, and if you are an exercise person, then you can go for a walk, jogging, running, cycling, skipping, etc. In the end, I would like to remind you the old saying that your mind can be your greatest friend if you control it, but if it controls you, it can be your greatest enemy. That's all from this video, guys. I hope you find this video informative. For more such videos, subscribe Target Study YouTube channel, and to get regular notifications, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.